Okay, now let's continue. You just install the N-site system target, right? Then you type Virtuoso, and it shows the send error message. So it looks like that we did not solve this problem. However, that is because you didn't add a dynamic. This is called the dot SO.10 or .1. If you see anything like this, file name .so, that means this file is a dynamic linking library. And the reason Virtuoso didn't find this is because this file is located in a very special directory. The directory is here. Normally, our dynamic linking library is in this directory. However, this one is located in another directory. 我用中文再讲一次啊，我讲一下，这个东西是动态连接函数库。那这个 Virtuoso 找不到的原因是因为，通常我们动态连接函数库是在这里，可是它在这个这么后面，它找不到。这样了解吗？那这种情况之下，我们要手动来指定它的位置，让它找得到，了不了解 ？So in this case, we needed to modify the dynamic linking library path for Virtuoso to find it. Then you can see that if you type env, if you go to etc, oh, sorry, not etc. If you go to opt eda vi Virtuoso vi -rc, you can see I have this configuration called LD library path. That is to assign different library paths. If you need to add more, you can add. You can press this. You can press a semicolon here and click. You can press here and add one more. Okay. Okay. Before I tell you to do this, let's try a different way. If you type env pipe ld env pipe grep ld, you can see we have this setting. Then we can type this command export ld libray path equal to $ld libray path and this. Then you can type env grep ld again. You can see we have added this path after the original setting. Then in this case, if you type Virtuoso, congratulations, you just skip this error and you encounter another error. Okay, you just solve one problem, but you hit into another problem. 好了，我跟各位讲一下啊，装 Virtuoso 很多实验室的学生第一关在装 Virtuoso 就想要去跳楼，为什么你知道吗？因为 Virtuoso 太多问题要处理了，了不了解？装了一个又出一个问题嘛。You finish this problem, you encounter another problem. That's why Virtuoso is very difficult to install. But in my course, you don't have to worry about it. I will take you to go through all over it. So you can try the temporary solution. This is just a temporary solution. If you do not add this, if you do not modify your file to this, then next time you will face the same error. So I will and you can run Virtuoso again. Okay, so you can run Virtuoso again. Then it will bring you to another. This time it bring you to this. Okay, so if you want to make a parent modification, you need to modify this file. I just tell you to create this last week. I show you how to create this file from scratch, right? Then you need to modify it to solve this problem. So this is how we solve this. Then next time, okay, so next time. So next time, if you modify this line into this, next time when you source your environment setting, it will be loaded automatically.